What are you trying to tell me? Dinner? But I thought I already fed you. Didn't I already feed you? Are you sure? I thought I already fed you dinner. Okay, come here. Come here. Frankie, what is she doing? Ruby? What are you trying to tell me? You want second dinner? You too, Frankie? You want second dinner? Let's see a dance. Ruby, let's see your dance. What are you trying to tell me? Yeah? Yeah? Are you hungry? Or you want something to eat? Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Yeah? Oh. Oh. Well, that's a crazy dance. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, I'll get you something, all right? You're hungry? Okay. Okay, baby. Are you hungry, Frankie? Huh? Are you hungry? Okay, enough teasing. Say bye-bye. Okay.